How to make money from scams. Okay, so this is going to be about making money from scam websites such as CashTree, RainMoney, CloutBucks, CashOG, sites like that, or any other number of sites that are very shady and just complete nonsense. They use fake testimonials. They have these outrageous claims and stuff like that. So basically, this way of making money online works for hundreds and hundreds of people. I'm going to show you some techniques. If any time in the video you have questions, please put them down below in the comment section. And let's just get right into it. So first of all, you're going to have to identify the scams, which isn't hard to do. I actually have another video about it, clickbait marketplace scams, and a blog post about it. Some of the things they do is they use fake testimonials. They hire actors from Fiverr and make these fake testimonial videos. And once you see enough of them, they're so easy to spot. Sometimes they have fake owners. They use stock photos. Just do a reverse photo image lookup, and you're going to find it on these scammy sites. Just so many things. Outrageous claims of making so much money. The sites I mentioned at the beginning of this video, like CashOG and CashTree, these sites are just copy clones of one another. They don't even take the time to change some of the text. Sometimes they mention other companies within their own, rules or whatever. Sometimes they don't even have terms and conditions. It says agree to these terms and conditions, and you click on the page, there's nothing there because they just throw these sites up real quick and try to make some money off of it. But anyways, what you're going to want to do, we're going to use CashOG as the example here. If you notice, you're going to do a Google search for CashOG reviews. You're going to see a bunch of reviews. In fact, mine's right at the top here. Affiliate-marketing-biz.com. And you're going to see other reviews here. It's a scam, a review, 1 star, legit or whatever, blah, blah, blah. And what myself and these other people are doing is creating blog posts, creating videos, and then directing them towards a legitimate program, one they can make money from. For example, if you go to my blog post here, I have a whole review. So when people do CashOG review, you just write a blog post about it, explaining all of this stuff like that. Pointing out the shadiness of it, fake testimonials or whatever. Like here, this is from their so-called testimonials. Like this guy right here, he's a Fiverr actor. I see him on lots of these shady products, and he just makes a testimonial video because they pay him to. There's no testimonial at all. But anyways, then is what you do is you have a legitimate program that you're going to want to gear towards people too, because these people are looking to make money online. So you're going to promote another product with affiliate marketing. My number recommendation right here. It's going to take you to my write-up review of my #1 recommendation in a completely legit program that you want to promote. You don't want to promote anything shady or whatever. And then people can sign up to your affiliate with your affiliate link, and then you have the opportunity to make money. And you could actually click on the top link in the video description below to learn exactly how to do this, because I'm not going through all the stuff of how to get the top rankings and just Google and stuff like that. That's all within the course itself, and that's what you learn to do there. You do get a free membership, free starter membership. So much in the free membership that there's enough there to know if it's something you're going to want to do to pay for the premium membership. If it's not for you, then no worries. If it is for you, then get going. And these people, I don't know what they're promoting themselves, but chances are these other reviewers are promoting other products or just advertising on their website in general. I'm not going to go into all that because I don't know these people. I don't know these blog posts. But what you want to do is get the reviews in the top link of Google, like mine is right here. And this is a private search, by the way. So it's not just mine popping up because mine. Where's that thing at? Show all results. See, right now it's on private. Mine still pops up on all, and hide the private results. Mine still pop up number 1 on top. So now, yeah, another thing about this is you don't want to just go reviewing legitimate products and saying they're bad. You legitimately want to find crappy products, and I do review lots of good products as well, and that's fine. Whether it's a referral affiliate link or not, I still do lots of positive reviews on positive products. I don't just bash these scams, but when I do find these scams, there are so many of them and they're easy to find. It's just so easy to do this. And you know, like I said, any questions, put them in the comments below. If you want to learn how to do this and make money online as a full-time income, part-time income, whatever you want to do with it, it's up to you. Check out my number one recommendation, a top link in the video description below. Sign up for your free account, and you don't have to promote making money online opportunities either. You can promote whatever you want, but there was a course for that, and there's a course for other niches, you know, pets, whatever, you know, dog, baseballs, whatever. Anyways, that is all for now. Subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon.